Okay, so you get in the car and you start up the engine, and the light, there's like a red exclamation mark light. I got my fix already, so it's not gonna show up. It's gonna be a red exclamation mark. Let's see if it shows up here. Let's see, let me turn on a little bit. Yeah, this guy right here. You see that on, and over here it's gonna be red. It's gonna say like, you know, your trunk lid is open. And like I said, I got my car back from being repaired, and they couldn't figure it out. So I had to do research, go online, and I always try to save money first before I bring it to the dealership. You know, before they rob me, I'll try to handle it myself. I looked it up, and everyone kept saying the latch, right? And here, let me show you what that is. This is the latch. So this guy's right here. So I took it apart. I took it apart one time, and I checked it out, and everything looks fine. I was playing with it, everything, even the little cable here. This is just emergency cable. But yeah, I checked it out, and it was fine. I looked inside of it, but I guess that this mine, it had a wire. I think it's this wire right here. I guess it goes, or that one right there. I guess it goes in there and you cannot see it unless you kind of get another one of these and I kind of compare it. Because see, when originally I took it out and I was playing with it, everything looks fine, but I had nothing to compare it to. So it looked fine. But I guess I'm like, you know what? Screw it. Let me buy another one. I bought one, and I compared it to, and you could see right away what was wrong with it. The wire, my wire on the broken one, or on the messed up one, it wasn't, the wire wasn't touching the inside, so that sent a signal to it. You know, I mean, my trunk worked and everything, it's just that the light popped up and that annoys me. So yeah, get this replaced. When you have the hood latch, get the whole assembly replaced, and it's not that much. Yeah, and it's not that much, guys. Let's see. Okay, so I paid, I went to German autopartssource.com. So German autopartssource.com. And I bought the deck lid latch. It's called deck lid latch, part number 997 512 05301. And I paid $117 for it. $117 for it. So, you know, I put it on, got it fixed right away. Okay, so hopefully that helps with the trunk latch issue. And all right, see you next time.